Did you know that the hardest part of workout is the core or the stomach workout? Yes, I'm telling you today. This is one of the most difficult workout you can ever meet in the gym. So most guys are running away from stomach exercises and stuff like that because it is really difficult doing stomach workout. But if you are grounded in it, Charlie, that's fire. Now you see, sometimes you don't need to spend 3 hours doing it. You just need consistency. Now look at this. This is just an instrument, and I want to encourage every young guy of my age, every young guy, in fact anybody at any age should buy this. Look, at most 100 Ghana cedis. Yeah, 100 Ghana cedis, so say less than $5 or something around, yeah, less than $5, around $4-5, you should be able to get it. So you see, buy this at home, right? Try it every morning, every evening when you are going to the bath, right? It's pretty easy, but if you have it, it is really going to transform your abs, right? And so I'll be demonstrating it quickly for you to see how the ab rollout works like. It's easy, it's easy. And now the secret is this: most guys' dick has entered inside because of their hot belly. Yes, I'm telling you that. But if you do this, your dick is definitely going to come out again for you to function just the way you want to function as a man. So your problem is what? The fat in your stomach, and we can burn it. Look at my stomach. Actually, I still have a lot of work to do, but I can see progress in it, and this is my secret. So get this, do it, like I said, every morning and every evening, or any time that you're in your living room, you can just try it out. So I'm going to demonstrate this ab roller for you to see. So let's go right into it, guys. And before that, it's not just guys, my ladies, you also need this. Your stomach will give you the best shape ever. So that to look up Coca-Cola, yes, to look Coca-Cola, you really need to have the platform. So let's go right into it. All right, so it's pretty easy, like I said. So let's go right into it. Like this. You go stretch your body. This hard. Yeah. So we are done with 3, 4. It looks hard, bro. 5, sorry, it rather look easy, but it's hard. 6, 7, so this is how we do it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, Charlie, this is, oh my God. Charlie, I don't know what to say. I'm really tired. Yeah, so that is it. So if you can do the ab roller 6 times a day, say 3 times in the morning, 3 times in the evening, the results will be fire. And now, but if you can do it 10 times a day, which I recommend, say 5 set, 10 reps for 5 sets in the morning, 10 reps for 5 sets in the evening, sorry, 5 times a week, boy, you come back and thank me later. So yeah, if you are still with me, please follow the channel, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.